In this video, we're going to take a look at a portable power station. What's up, people? I got another cool product to show you guys. This is a portable power station from a company called URCERI. Hopefully I pronounced that right. They sent out the product for review. So what we're going to do is we'll take a look inside the box. I'll show you everything it comes with. Then we'll go ahead and look at all the features and we'll do some testing. Alright guys, so I got everything out of the box here. Got your user manual there. Your warranty card. You got a 12-volt charging cable there. You got a 12-volt input. So you can power 12-volt items from this power station. You got a solar panel adapter here, so you can hook up a solar panel to the power station and actually charge it that way. The product does not come with a solar panel. And then you got your standard wall outlet to charge it. Alright, so we'll take a closer look at the product here. It's made out of a hard plastic. It's got a handle at the top here. In the front you can see it has a power button. Right here is a button labeled AC. It's got a nice LCD screen on the front here that lets you know the battery life, and it also lets you know what inputs or outputs you have hooked up at the time. On the side here is all your inputs and outputs. You got two AC outs right there. One's grounded, one's not. You got an input here. That's going to be for your solar panels or your DC input for charging it with your car. And then here is your output for DC 12 volt. If you have something that needs a cigarette lighter, this is where your output would be. And then you got 4 USB. These are all 2.4 volts, and then the last one is actually a 5 volt for fast charging. You have a nice light here for emergency situations or maybe camping. It's pretty bright. On the back here, you guys can see the actual model number. It's the HP200L. You have all your specs for the power station. And there is a built-in fan for cooling. I'll go over some more of the specs here. For the AC power, the continuous power output is 200 watts, and the peak power is 400 watts. Overload power is listed as 250 watts. So I'm assuming if there's initial burst or draw from this, it's going to go into protection mode if it is over 250 watts. We'll take a look at some more of the specs on the box here that it has it listed. It is solar. It does come with a solar adapter and car charger, like I showed you guys earlier. It has an efficient output, the multiple USB outputs which I showed you. It's a pure sine wave for AC. It's got an overcurrent protection so it doesn't burn anything up, and also has an overheating protection along with an overvoltage protection and a short circuit protection. So it's got a lot built in to protect the product so that it doesn't burn up, overheat, the battery doesn't explode, and so it doesn't actually ruin your electronics that you got hooked up to it. So that's nice. Here's their website. That's where this product can be found, or you can search them on Amazon. Go ahead and take another quick look at the screen here. As you guys can see, there's the battery indicator. It also says AC right there. Hit the power button. Hopefully you guys can see that. It shows USB 2.4 volts, USB 5 volts, and this is actually for the car adapter cigarette lighter. Now when you plug a device in, you do have to power this on. And once you power it on, it allows the device to get power or to charge. Alright, so I'll give you guys some examples of what you can use on this. Here's my phone. It's a Galaxy Note 8. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in the side here. Now I could either use this in the USB. We'll try the USB first. This blue one, this should be the 5-volt fast charging. So plug it in there. Didn't start charging yet because we got to hit the power. Turn the power on and it's charging. As you guys can see there, it's fast charging. Go ahead and unplug it. Plug it into one of the 2.4 volt outlets. And now it's charging, but it's not fast charging. So 48 minutes until full on the 2.4. Switch it back to the 5 volt. Fast charging, 42 minutes. Now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and unplug this. Plug in your regular wall charger. Plug that in. And if you guys take a look, nothing's charging right now because I actually have to hit the AC button. Go ahead and turn that on. Give it a second, and there it is. It's fast charging. And it also says 41 minutes until fully charged. So it's equivalent to the 5-volt USB output that we tested earlier. So both of those work, no problem. Alright, so I'm going to keep my phone plugged in there. And I'm going to hook up my GoPro here. Go ahead and see if that charges that. Go ahead and put that on the 5-volt USB output. Alright, so I got both of them plugged in. You guys can see there, up here it shows that the battery on the GoPro is charging. And my phone is also still fast charging. And actually, since we've been charging this, it dropped down to 35 minutes and it's at 78% already. Alright, so I got my GoPro that's charging right now. I got my phone that's charging. Now I'm going to plug in my drone. So this is a DJI Spark. And we're going to see if both these AC outlets charge at the same time. Got the Spark charging, my phone charging, and we got the GoPro that's charging. So all devices are charging right now, so that's kind of awesome. And actually my phone is at 82% already, since I've been doing this video with 31 minutes until fully charged. So that's nice. Did not hear a fan kick on yet on the device. Doesn't feel warm or anything. So what we'll do is I'll grab a couple more items and we'll really put this to the test. Alright guys, for my next test, I'll show you what I got going on here. I got the portable power source right here. I have a PlayStation Classic that's running USB to the side. And then I actually have this 24-inch TV plugged in. And it seems to be powering both of those no problem. It's not throwing up any warnings of overheating. Fan hasn't turned on or anything. I don't know how many watts this TV pulls, but it is a 24-inch Samsung LCD. Everything seems to be working well. Fan still hasn't kicked on the power source.
Round 1. Fight.
For my last test, we're going to hook this battery pack up to a 50-watt projector screen. We're going to watch a movie for a couple hours and we'll see how well it does. Alright guys, so after watching a couple hours worth of movies on this projector, the battery pack dropped 2 bars out of 5, which isn't too bad. Like I stated, the projector is 50 watts. So after doing the testing, I enjoyed using this product a lot. I definitely could see myself using this on camping trips or coming in handy in an emergency situation when I don't have any power. If you guys are interested in this product, just go to the website that I'll list in the description box. Hopefully you guys found this video useful. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, hit that subscription button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.